In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Chrome flags. If you want to access experimental features in Chrome, Chrome flags are where you'll usually find them. These are advanced settings that let you test tools and options that may still be in development. Because of that, it's a good idea to read each flag carefully before turning it on, since some features can affect how Chrome behaves. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top of the window. In the address bar, type Chrome flags and press Enter. This will take you to the Chrome Flags page, which is a special section inside the browser where experimental features are listed. When the page loads, you'll see a search bar near the top. This search bar is the easiest way to find a specific flag, especially since the full list can be very long and a little overwhelming if you're just browsing through it. Click into that search bar and type the name or keyword of the specific flag you're interested in. As you type, Chrome will filter the results and show matching options. Once you find the flag you want, take a moment to read the description shown underneath it. This is important because the description usually explains what the feature does and may also give you an idea of whether it's intended for testing, performance, or a visual change. Reading before enabling helps you avoid turning on something you don't actually need. After you've confirmed that it's the right flag, look to the right side of that option. You'll usually see a drop-down menu set to default. Click that menu and choose Enable. This tells Chrome to turn that experimental feature on. In many cases, Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser for the change to take effect. If that happens, make sure you save anything important in your open tabs first, then relaunch Chrome so the update can be applied properly. That's all it takes to enable a Google Chrome flag. Just open Chrome, visit the Flags page, search for the feature you want, read its description, and enable it. If you ever want to undo the change later, you can return to the same page and switch the flag back to default or disabled. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.